Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. And here I teach beginners friendly makeup tips, especially eyebrows that most people struggle with. I teach eyebrow tutorials detailing, and also I do full face makeup. I do makeup transformation as well. So today I want to give you a detailed makeup tutorial step by step in a way that is beginners friendly. So let's start up with the brows. I use the Essence long lasting eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows, and I'm also going in with Essence camouflage matte concealer. If you're looking for an affordable makeup brand, you can go in for Essence. The products are quite affordable but yet very good. Just look at the coverage this concealer is giving, and the one I'm concealing my the upper part of my brow with is my foundation, and it's still Essence. So the name is Essence Stay All Day 16 Hours Foundation. And then I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Catrice Cosmetics. It's also a drugstore eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with this purple. We are doing a makeup transformation, so we need to make it a little bit dramatic. Then I use orange eyeshadow to fade out the harsh lines. Now before doing the inner corners, I go in with some more concealer to brighten that part, and then I use white. Look at how bright my face has become, and the eye area. So we go in with eyeliner, and I'm using this one from Catrice Cosmetics. So drawing a wing liner is not any big thing. You just have to clean the brush of your liner very well. Then you just put a steady hand and you will get it. Now I stick on some lashes. Since it's a dramatic look, I'm using lashes that are a little bigger. And then we go ahead to apply primer. Remember, you can always prime twice. So the eyebrow area, most of the time I prime my brow areas as well to prevent it from becoming oily as soon as I get out with the makeup. So I prime it. So but now before I apply my foundation, I go in again with primer on my whole face, and I apply my foundation. I'm using this 16 hours stay all day foundation from Essence. This is my foundation brush. You can as well blend it with a damp beauty blender or even a powder puff. And now I go in with the Essence camouflage matte concealer to brighten my face. So allow the concealer to sit a little bit so that we can achieve a full coverage while I go ahead to contour my face. I'm using this contour stick, baby cut blush contour stick from Essence Cosmetics. Guys, this is a very affordable look. You can try Essence products if you are looking for affordable makeup. They are so good but yet very affordable. So we go ahead to blend the highlighted points, blend the bridge of the nose, blend on the eyes. Blending is the key, guys. You have to take your time to blend to have that smooth makeup look with no harsh lines. So after blending with the brush, I always like to go in again with the powder puff just to pick up the excess and also to even out everything. Then I go in with some blush. I use baby cut blush, lips and cheeks, still from Essence. I contour my nose with some powder that is one shade darker from Fatmi. Then I use this Essence mattifying powder under my eyes first before I go into bake. I'll need to bake my under eyes with this Yardley translucent loose setting powder. This is it I'm placing under my eyes and also on all the highlighted points. Then I go in with the smooth setting powder. I also got it from Clicks to set the rest of my face, to set my whole face with that. And I gradually dust off the excess powder on my highlighted points, and I apply some highlighter from Catrice Cosmetics. Look at that nose popping. Then I fix everything using this fixing spray from Maybelline New York. Then I make my eyes to pop even more with this mascara still from Essence. I go ahead to do my lips. I first of all line with this pencil, and I do ombre. So I apply some red, some pink, just a mixture of colors to get the ombre effect that you will see right here. So just look at that, apply some gloss over it. Look at the lips. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Until next time, see you. Bye.